9th standard. Today my topic is electroscope. An electroscope is a device used to detect the presence of charge on objects. An electroscope is used to find out if a body is charged. Find out if a body is positively or negatively charged. This is the electroscope diagram. The divergence of the leads indicates that body is charged. Divergence of leads means it indicates that body is charged. If the divergence of the lead increases, then the body has the same charge as that of the electroscope, which is positive charge in this case. This is because the amount of positive charges on the leaves increases, thereby increasing the repulsion between them. If the divergence of the leaves decreases, then the test body has a charge opposite to that of the electroscope, which is negative in this case. This is because the amount of positive charges between the leaves increases, thereby increasing the repulsion between them. I'm going to explain about this and do experiments. Electroscope was invented by William Gilbert. He was a British physician, and he invented in the year 1600. And first electroscope was invented by the pivoted needle known as Verzerium. So when I rub with a silk cloth with pipe like this is known as charging by friction. Friction means both objects are rubbed each other, then there is charge present between them, that is known as electrostatic force. When we rub this each other, then negative charges are gone to the PVC pipe in this case. In every case when we do with friction, then these charges are transferred to this, that is only negative charge. By this process, no charges is created nor destroyed. So I am charging it by friction. It is universal that positive, there are two types of charges, positive and negative charges. It is universal that like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. So there is pole, now it is transferring all negative charges to it. So it is totally negative charge now, and this is positively charged. We can find it by seeing the divergence of the leads in the above chart, in the below chart. You can see that there is divergence of leads. Yes, there is divergence of leads. This is because the like charges repel each other. It is totally negative charges now. If there is only negative charge, means like charges repel each other. That's why there is divergence of leads. There is divergence of leads. You can see here, divergence of leads. When we touch again it, then it will come to again, it will decreases because my hand has another charge when compared to the electroscope. Now it is negatively charged. But when I touch it, my hand contains different charges. So it gets decreases.